Hello everyone, I am ESR12. I am very happy and proud to be a part of Utranet. My name is Johan Stanley. I am from India. My host institution is Aristotle University of Thessaloniki, Greece. I am going to work on the project titled The Synthesis of Smart Biopolymer Materials with Nanostructure Surfaces with Antimicrobial, Biocompatible, Anti-adhesive Properties. My supervisor is Professor Dimitros Bikaris from Aristotle University of Thessaloniki, and my co-supervisors are Professor Dimitra Lamproulu from Aristotle University of Thessaloniki and Professor Lidija from University of Maribor. Let me give a short introduction about my educational background. I have done my high schooling at Montfort Matriculation Higher Secondary, and my major subjects are biology and mathematics. I successfully completed my Bachelor of Technology in Chemical Engineering from Pondicherry University. After completing my bachelor degree, I have done my Diploma in Industrial Safety from Annamalai University. But since I was first exposed to biology and chemistry courses in my school days, I have been interested in the properties of everything in our daily lives, from our home to our food, depending on the characteristic of the material that comprises it. This led me to pursue my master degree in Polymer Science and Engineering, where I furthered my understanding of physical and chemical properties that conveyed different future to a product. And now I was ready to take my education to next level through my PhD at Aristotle University of Thessaloniki. As a credit to my research, I have published 3 papers in international journals like Journal of Applied Polymer Science, Composite Communication, and Polymer Bulletin. Also, I have an Indian patent on the title Biodegradable Barrier Coating Material. I have done 2 in-plant trainings at Nizer India Private Limited. I had a good exposure on processing of ceramic materials. At Donghae, I had an exposure on understanding, studying, and handling of instrument and theory behind molding operations. I have presented my research works at various international and national conferences held all over India. About my previous research experience, I especially enjoy working at developing and implementing a methodology for polymer synthesis and polymer characterization, assisting in data collection and analyzing research results. During my master degree at Anna University, I handled 5 different industrial projects. My first project is about fabrication of industrially valuable coated abrasives and PLA based packaging products made using biopolymeric blends of PLA PEG with a relatively less harmful ethyl acetate solvent. My second project is focused on 2 major issues of reducing the brittleness and improving the antimicrobial activity of PLA by reacting it with synthesized paraphenylene diamine based Schiff base. The coating of PLA and Schiff base on kraft paper showed improved properties and could be used as a possible replacement for conventional synthetic packaging material. My third project deals with synthesizing a useful carbon filler from a waste peanut shell by pyrolysis method. Biocomposite films were made using PLA with a various percentage of peanut shell carbon via solvent casting method. The results indicated thermomechanical and water resistant properties could be increased with incorporation of PSC filler into the PLA matrix. In my fourth project, PLA was made to blend with castor oil based polyurethane, results in the formation of semi-interpreting network. Initially, castor oil based polyurethane was made to react with paraphenylene diamine based Schiff base to improve intermolecular hydrogen bonding and antimicrobial properties. The PLA-PU blends could be used as a replacement for synthetic polymer in industrial coating application. My fifth project focused on development of PLA zirconium dioxide biocomposite films to enhance barrier properties, performance, and degradability for the packaging application in specific. At this moment, I would like to thank my academic supervisor, Professor Dr. S. Ananthakumar, and my industrial supervisor, Dr. N. Sundar, for their guidance. My motivation for applying Futranet ESR12 project is, I believe this program helps in my professional growth, explore new ideas, and to learn new skills. It helps in completing my PhD degree and to supply demands of our modern knowledge-based economy. It enhances my ability to identify research problems, ability to do the research, and to become an independent researcher in future. It helps in experiencing new working environment and expand the horizon of scientific approaches throughout secondment into industry. It gives an advantage of attending various workshops and seminars to gain knowledge and to interact with the experts from the specific field. It creates an opportunity to share my knowledge and understanding across the world through my scientific publications and book chapters. I am confident that in upcoming years I will be more equipped with knowledge and practical experiences that will help me to gain great opportunities in my professional career through the numerous lessons and tactics learned from the Futranet program. About my PhD work plan, the ultimate aim of this project is to develop new biopolymer packaging material with antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. The first step is to produce high purity 2,5 furan dicarboxylic acid for the preparation of bio-based polyesters using diols like ethylene glycol, propylene glycol and butanediol as a packaging material. The next step is to study the addition of nano additives with antimicrobial properties by in situ polymerization technique. The next step is to characterize the developed smart biopolymers and evaluate properties like molecular weight and physical properties, thermal, mechanical, percentage of crystallinity, solubility, gas barrier, toxicity, and antimicrobial properties. The next step is to determine the safety and migration of smart polyester residues like monomers decomposition by byproducts into foods or carbonated drinks and juices using liquid chromatography, mass spectrometry, and gas chromatography, mass spectrometry techniques. The last step is upscaling for industrial application. I strongly believe these materials will further enhance antimicrobial and antifungal properties of the food packaging surfaces and leads to the improved food maintenance or conservation and safety. It's been an honor to be among such accomplished individuals and to be able to present my work before you all. I thank you and wish you all a good day.